Mabuhay. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Good evening, everyone. Tonight, just done, finished to our small care group. And tonight, we celebrate also the birthday of our member, our team, Zone 1 and Zone 2, Angel. She's currently celebrating her 15th year birthday celebrations. Ate Suring, go ahead. Picturean niyo siya. This is Angel. Happy birthday, Angel. Say hi. Say hi.
Post na ako, Angel. Friend tayo.
Birthday niya. Ito, makasama namin sa small care group. Picture si Angel. Lenlen. Ito sila makasama sa Lisa. Oh. Happy birthday again, Angel.
Itagta ka, ani ba?
Yes. Ay, sige ate, so, thank you. Happy birthday. What is your wish? To become rich? To finish your study? Thank you. And this is my friend from Australia, but actually, he is a Chinese citizen. From China, of course. This is Arthur B. Arthur, say hi.
Hi.
Thank you, Arthur. Thank you, everyone. God bless us all.